At this point, you will just type your TSC number at this point. Then you type your password here. Then you click on login. Once you log in, you go now to the next point. Now once you log in, you will be in a position to see P9. Therefore, you will just click on this point. Once you click on this point, your P9 will launch, and you can be in a position to look at it, or you may print, or you may just read the figures from the screen. Therefore, at this point, you may just press print, and once you press on print, the P9 will be printed so that you can be in a position to now go to the KRA portal and fill the rest of the data. Therefore, the next step is to type https://itax.kra. Make sure you mark this address up here. This address, mark that address very well. Then once you type, you'll be taken to this site. You type your KRA PIN. Then once you type the password. Next step, you type your password. If you can't remember your password, then go to this point, forget your password. Your password will be sent, a new password will be sent to your email address that you used to register that is the PIN. Also remember to fill the timestamp, timestamp. Then from there, you can click on login. Then it is important you type don't save. Then from there you go to returns, that is file returns. Okay, the next step is to go to returns. Once you go to returns, you go to file returns. You click on file returns. Then you'll be taken to this point. Just select income tax residential. Then you click on next. Now once you click on next, you'll be probably given this message. Then from there, you come to this point, click to download income tax residential Excel. Then you download this one. Once you download that one, that is the compressed form, this one. It will be saved in your documents. Therefore, you go to where that one is and open it. Then fill the data from the P9, just like I will show you. Now you go to downloads. Then you go to compressed. Then you will get this document. This one, individual resident return. You double click. Then you get to this Excel file. You extract. You can extract to somewhere like a desktop, therefore, so that you can be in a position to access. Therefore, when I go to my desktop, I will get this file here. Therefore, I just double click. Okay, after double clicking, you type your KRA PIN at this point. This is the personal identification number. Now once you type, then you choose original at this point. Then you type the date. The date should be 1st of January 2019. Then you press the tab key to avoid it from deleting. Then you go to 31st December 2019. Then you press tab key. Then from there, you go to the next portion. You type the TSC pin. It is on your top. That is on your top of that paper. That is the P9. Then employer's TSC. Then at this point, you type your taxable pay plus arrears. If there are arrears, you add them. Then the rest you type zeros. Then you go to the next one. You choose the TSC pin. Once you put it in this F employment, it will automatically come to this point. Then you type TSC again. You type the taxable salary. Remember the taxable pay plus the arrears. You repeat it here. Then here you type the total pay. That is the total pay written there. Then from there you jump. You go all the way to the last one. Then at this point you are supposed to write 0 or leave it the way it was. Then you go to your personal relief. At this point you type the 16,896 just as it indicated in the P9. Then you will have seen that your returns reads 0 here. You just now click on validate. Once you click on validate, you'll get a message informing you that whether asking you actually prompt asking you whether you want to proceed to submitting. Then once you submit, you'll get now the folder that you're supposed to upload in the KRA iTax portal. Therefore, in case of an error, you can see there is this portion here with red. In case there is an error, the error will indicate among these. It will indicate among part A, part F, part M, part Q, where you have gone wrong. Therefore, this is the message you expect. Sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate an upload? You click on yes. Once you click on yes, you'll get the location of your file. The location of your file is administrator documents. This is, you look at the date, today 15th of this, and time. This one will help you to see where your document has been saved. Therefore, after doing so, you can now access your file by going to my documents of your computer or laptop. Then you'll be in a position to see the zipped. This one means that they are zipped, ready to be transferred. This is the file that has been generated. Therefore, I can just copy this file, cross or other points. Then I can save this one on my desktop for easy access. Therefore, after doing so, I just now go back to the KRA portal. I then go to file returns, then file return. I repeat the steps, income next. Then mine is amended, sorry, because I had already fed the original. Therefore, I only come to this point. Return period. I just now type the dates. That is 31st January 2019. Then I click on now. Once I do that, I click on browse. Then I browse my file. This is my file. Once I browse, my file will be taken here. Then date return from. Therefore, we shall click from. That is from. Should be okay. I have already now returned. That's why I'm getting this error message. Therefore, you choose original. You choose original at this point. Then dates that you are returning. That is from 1st January. 2019 to 31st December 2019. Then you click on agree. This is the file that I want to upload. You have seen how I got it, this one. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will get a receipt, and a copy of the receipt will be sent to your email account. Therefore, thank you very much for watching my videos. Always remember to subscribe and like my video.